Hi everyone, let's talk about India's recent struggles on the world stage, especially regarding its claim of terrorism. The old playbook of playing the victim isn't working anymore. For years, India has been pushing a narrative that Pakistan and others are funding terrorist groups like the so-called the Resistance Front, TRF. They have used this story to try and get Pakistan in trouble with international bodies like the Financial Action Task Force, FTAF. But these claims, they often seem like old, recycled propaganda. The timing of their investigations, they often coincides with their own domestic issues, and it even makes more wonder if they're just trying to distract from what's happening at home. The tide is turning though. The recent Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO summit in China was a big blow to India's narrative. The SCO condemned terrorist attacks in Pakistan, including those in Balochistan. This was a win for Pakistan and a clear signal that the world is starting to look at who is really behind these attacks. Even the US has designated groups like the Balochistan Liberation Army (BLA) as terrorist organizations, further proving that India's covert support for these groups is being exposed. India's long-standing strategy of crying victim is falling. The evidence of its own role in sponsoring instability in the region is now coming to light. Instead of isolating Pakistan, India now risks being seen as a state of sponsor of terrorism itself. Stay aware, stay vigilant.